So we got this Bonanza here that I got fully prepped, stripped, cleaned, ready for paint. All flight control surfaces are off. All our plastics are sanded down, ready to take paint. Today we're going to be painting the fuselage, and then we'll go on from there and paint the wings tomorrow. And here's some of the flight controls. Got them fully cleaned up. Got them fully cleaned and prepped, top and bottom. Just gotta clean a little bit, give it a good tacking, and should be ready to spray in a matter of minutes. Got the gear doors off. So we'll be going and doing this today. Remove the prop to get behind the spinner here. Remove all the lights, everything. Got the landing gear stripped. Got the doors and cow doors, inspection panels here, ready to paint. And I'm setting up my table over here where I'll paint all the inspection plates. Basically, I just get some carpenter's nails and use this table here and kind of set them all up, clean them, and then I paint them. That way everything can have the same color, same tone. So this is the Bonanza before, fully stripped, 100% ready for paint. This one had original paint from I think it was like from the 50s. So everything has to be basically mechanically removed by hand. So I've massaged all this aircraft, every nook and cranny, and I did the interior too, which is already in. And now we're just gonna do the paint, and we'll be done. We got to do some brakes and other little things, but nothing major as paint and interior. So here, go ahead and join along. I'm gonna take you through all the phases, and yeah.